Some solutions to your weight loss resolutions. But if you really want an excuse to work out, Nikki Mayo is cooking up a gourmet breakfast you'll need that gym membership for around town.
It's the new year, so now it's your chance to work off all those extra pounds you gained during the holidays. And the folks at Brick Bodies have a very simple plan.
You can't out-exercise a bad diet.
It's called their First Steps program. So before you hit the weights, exercise a little mind over matter.
Change the way you think. Instead of thinking, I can't do this, or I was never athletic, or I was never coordinated, or I can never keep up with all these other people.
Lynn says, set smart goals. That's specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and trackable achievements.
Train your brain and focus on the things that you can do, not what you can't. Get back on the horse and just continue from where you left off.
I'm a naughty little chef.
If you've already given up on those workouts or just want to treat yourself, resolve to brush up on those gourmet cooking skills.
I love to wear latex.
And the new year is a good time to take a new spin on fun foods.
It's very easy to do at home. All you just have to do is have the ingredients.
At Mr. Charles Market in Owings Mills, Chef Aharon Denrich is always enhancing simple breakfasts, sometimes with a royal twist.
Take a cue from Elvis, do peanut butter and jelly, French toast.
That's 2 thick pieces of Texas toast with your favorite PB&J. But that's not enough. Oh yes, there's more.
I dip it in our French toast dip and put it on the griddle and serve it with bananas, Foster, maple syrup. We also do a chocolate chip pancakes with Nutella and peanut butter, called our nasty stack, because it is, you take one bite and you're just like, man, this is nasty.
And if you don't believe it, anyone can do this at home. But why dirty up your kitchen?
It's going to be much better when I do it, because just think about it. You don't have to clean up at the end of the day. I do.
For The List, I'm Nikki Mayo.